Hey, I want to buy this. Is that orange?
Yeah.
Isn't this the Apple store?
Yeah.
So why you have an orange?
Anyways, how can I help you today, sir?
So I want to buy this phone.
Ah, the iPhone 8.
Can you tell me a little bit more features about this phone?
So, what makes the iPhone 8 different from all the other iPhones is that this iPhone is brighter than all the others.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So how much is the phone?
If you get the iPhone 8 today, you can get it for a measly, wait for it, $1,000.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So I want to get this iPad, and what's different about it from the other iPads?
So, what makes the iPad different from all the other iPads is that this iPad is half an inch bigger than all the other ones.
Seriously?
Yeah!
How much is it?
$1,000.
Seriously?
Yeah!
Right.
Where are you going? Fucking hate working at this place.
And I seen her get rich in the pool.